Good day, ladies and gentlemen. I'm here to bring you tidings of things to come. A warning. Be prepared for what's coming. Guys, we're in the beginning stages of a bull run. Bitcoin and Ethereum are both correcting. In this video, I want to talk about what's going to happen with Bitcoin and Ethereum, both short-term and long-term, and what this means for the altcoins. So, if you like the sound of that, you guys have to like, subscribe, comment, and share, and hit the bell to be notified new uploads, because we've been calling it crazy good on this channel. So guys, let's delve into this. Ethereum has been getting rejected off all-time highs. It's currently finding support on the 200 EMA on the 1 hour. Let's see here. Now, let's take a look at our indicators, take a look at what might be happening with Ethereum here. Momentum waves on the way down, stochastic still going down. 6 hour looking like it wants to have a bearish crossover. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. So, 4 hour chart is well into its bearish crossover. Stochastics on the way down, RSI making lower highs and lower lows. Momentum wave still on the way down. So we may either correct further or consolidate further around the breakout point around 1250. If that doesn't hold, I believe our EMA is on the 6 hour, kind of like 1190, and most importantly, I think the mid thousands will act as critical support. Last time we pumped and then dumped, we found support on the 100 EMA on the 6 hour. So I'd wager that this time we're very likely to at least find temporary support on the 100 EMA on the 6 hour, which would land us at around 1070. So if you're looking to accumulate Ethereum, I would either wait out to see if the 20 EMA on the 6 hour can't hold. I would be looking to accumulate at the 50 EMA on the 6 hour, which would be around $1,200. Personally, for me, I think 1250 to 1200 would kind of be like the accumulation zone for me. But guys, I want to make this video to also say that we are very likely to soon explode and perhaps soon get alt season. The more time passes on, the more likely I think it is that Ethereum doubles its all-time high price and the altcoins explode. I want to make this video to tell people, be ready. There is a new American presidential administration that just got sworn in today. I think that's likely to bring stability to the markets. They are likely to pass lots of stimulus, further inflating the US dollar. Over here, as we can see, the US dollar has been rallying and is currently, sorry about that guys, and is currently getting rejected off the 50 EMA on the daily. If we continue to see rejection and go for the further leg down, I believe this will be one important factor that helps to pump crypto as well. Guys, Bitcoin dominance. I'm trying to ring the alarm bells here, guys. Bitcoin dominance is falling, and I think it has a very good chance of continuing to fall throughout the next few days and weeks here. And as it does, I think the more likely it is that alts will benefit. Bitcoin as well, it's very important to take a look at because Bitcoin affects the whole market. It was in this wedge, broke down bearishly. We're finding support on our other wedge here. Isn't it funny how I don't know if we've I've definitely shown this chart in different videos back when Bitcoin was over here. And isn't it funny how we found support almost exactly where my lines are drawn? It's almost like I kind of understand what I'm doing. It's almost like that. So guys, if Bitcoin does not find support on this green line here, I believe the next stop here is 32,000. I think 29,000 and above will act as critical support for Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin has a very good chance of kind of moving sideways, consolidating above $29,000 for the next 2 weeks here. In 2 weeks, I believe we're kind of in this macro descending triangle for Bitcoin. I believe we have roughly 2 weeks of sideways movement within this thing, kind of $29,000 kind of being the base of this descending triangle. Whatever way we break out of this macro descending triangle here, I think we're likely to absolutely explode in whatever direction we break out. If we break out bullishly, I think the minimum, I think we tackle all-time highs if we break out bullishly. Let's assume this is kind of the breakout point. Yeah, I say we can go well above. I say we see $45,000 if we break out of this descending triangle, out of this macro descending triangle here. So, guys, these are some of the important things we need to keep an eye out for. We could also break down for sure. I mean, there's a possibility if we can't hold $29,000, I think kind of like the mid-20s are going to act as critical support. If that doesn't hold, I think kind of 22,000 is kind of the last stand for Bitcoin. Not to mention, if we zoom out here, the The 618 fib retracement level is right there at 22,000. A lot of sideways price action, a lot of volume is being traded there. Not to mention the 100 EMA on the daily being right around there. So I think kind of like 24 to 22,000 is going to be kind of like the major support level. Like worst case scenario for Bitcoin is 22 to 24,000. I mean, if we were to fall there, that would be one of, if not the best possible buying opportunities in history, in my opinion. Personally, I think I don't think it's very likely that we drop below 29,000. I think we can hit maybe the 30,000 level, but I would wager that at this point, it is likely than not that we don't drop below 29,000. Now we may very well, and what may possibly happen is that we may enter kind of like a consolidation phase for maybe weeks, maybe a few months here. Guys, we're so early in the cycle. This bull market is likely to top out at the end of 2021. And the reason why I'm bringing up Bitcoin and Ethereum is because, look, guys, Bitcoin, his all-time highs was $20,000. It's well surpassed it. Ethereum's all-time highs was 1,448. It passed, depending on what exchange you look at, it passed its all-time highs on a lot of exchanges. So, guys, Bitcoin leads the market, Ethereum leads the altcoins. It's just a matter of time, in my opinion, before Ethereum tackles its all-time highs and surpasses it. Once it does, I think the good altcoins are going to be primed to fly. So I want to make this video to say, kind of give you guys a warning. The more time goes on, the more likely it is that alt season does indeed get here. It's just a matter of time, in my opinion, whether it's next week, next month, in a quarter, or 6 months from now. I'm not a financial advisor. This video is not financial advice. But if I were you, I would make sure I have my bag secure. Because in my opinion, it's just a matter of time before things fly, guys. I've said before, I think we see $1,500, $1,600 very soon. I think within the month we see that. Although of course I could be wrong as well. We are seeing some downtrending on the larger time frame. So again, I think some further consolidation makes sense. I think even Ethereum falling down to retest the 50 EMA is definitely possible. Although we are finding support on the 20 EMA here on the 6 hour. So if we fall back down to $1,200, that would be kind of the accumulation zone for me. So guys, so much to look out for in these markets. The Americans are printing trillions of dollars. They're going to continue doing so. The incoming Biden administration is likely to pass, hopefully, multiple rounds of stimulus, at the very least one. Trillions of dollars worth of stimulus, which is going to be a factor that helps to propel cryptocurrency. So, guys, there's so much profit potential to be made, so much risk in these markets as well. Just understand, I think this market's likely to peak out around the end of 2021. I will be scaling out late third quarter, early fourth quarter of this year. I would give strong consideration to considering such strategies, such as what I've mentioned. Guys, make sure you check out our Discord group. There will be a link for that down in the description below. We talk about all our trades, all our trade setups, all that good stuff. So make sure you check that out. Guys, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, comment, share, hit the bell icon if you don't find new uploads. And before I leave, I just want to reiterate, I do think Ethereum has a very good chance of hitting $30,000 at the peak of this bull run. I do not know that for sure. That is a guess. That is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. No one knows for sure how high these coins will go or when the market will peak up, but I do think it is probable. I think it's a realistic possibility that Ethereum hits 30,000 and Bitcoin hits 300,000. So if you're freaking out about 2, 3, 5, 10% moves right now, when in a few months here we could be looking at thousands of percent in growth, I mean, what are you doing? Get yourself together. Same with Bitcoin, guys. I think Bitcoin hits $300,000 at the peak of this bull run. So if we're freaking out about 5, 15, 20% move down right now, when we're talking hundreds of thousands of dollars in a few months here, I mean, what are we doing here, guys? What are we doing? We're trying to make money, So, guys, I know I've been rambling on here and it's kind of a rant, but I do just want to warn my people, let you guys know what my thoughts are. I think this market has just started, so I mean, if you've been freaking out over these small fluctuations, I think that the next few months here are going to be absolutely insane. This year has the possibility to be the most craziest parabolic market we've ever seen in cryptocurrency history. Make sure you stay tuned to this channel. Take care, everyone.